Happy morning, friends. I'm back. Welcome you all on my channel. Always happy Shri. Yesterday, I spoke about self esteem. Thank you, each one of you, for showering blessings on it. Lots of appreciation messages I received. Thank you so very much. Most of my friends called me and shared it was a booster and requested if I can cover self confidence, it will be good. This is to all of you on self confidence. अभी ना पूछो हमसे मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो हमने चलने का इरादा किया है, ना हारे हैं ना हारेंगे कभी, ये किसी और से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है. Self confidence is the foundation of all great success and achievements. You are the hero of your own story. One cannot deny that self confidence is very important quality to achieve success in life. Confidence is the quality that lies in everyone, less in someone and more in someone, but it is necessary to increase our present level. Today, we'll share few tips, rather qualities of confident people. And here I go. The way you dress up affects your confidence. I'm talking about common people like me. When you are in your best attire, then your confidence automatically increases. Request to spend on clothes. If you are participating in any of the seminars, gatherings, function, try to grab the front seat. Answer questions. Keep it interactive. Speak. Pay attention to the way you walk and sit. Do not speak in suppressed voice. Be better than most people in one thing. Not everyone can become expert in every field, but you can choose two areas according to your interest in which you can be better. Your past achievements will surely help you feel confident. These can be any small achievements. Play it in your mind. It will boost your confidence. Visualize that you are confident. Your strong thinking finds a way to make reality. So think of yourself every day as a confident person. Imagination is a more powerful than knowledge. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. It is not wrong to make mistakes. It is wrong to repeat it. If you pick up history of all successful people, then many failures will be hidden in the glare of their success. Do not give excuse for not knowing English for low confidence knowledge. Knowledge of English is essential, but not necessary. The purpose of any language is to express your thoughts in words, and if you can do it the same thing in another language, you are not obliged to know English. Yogi Adityanath is the biggest example. Get rid of stage fear. Best way to beat this fear is to do activity that makes you nervous. Do it so many times that it becomes your strength. Just passing by, inspiring line. People will not pay attention to you. They will laugh at you. They will fight with you, and then you will win. So let people ignore, laugh at you. But to win, you are born. Grab all the advantages. Rather, always grab all advantages on special occasions to prove yourself. Participate in every quiz, debates, seminars, competitions. Remember that your confidence does not depend on your education, your financial condition, or your looks. No one can make you feel inferior without your permission. Thank you so very much. Have a great day ahead, and bye bye.